Hello everyone, welcome back to Poultry Manager video tutorial series. In this video we learn about maintenance. So here we can see first, for example, I'll just add job. So for clean door. Now I'll be assigning a job to a farm manager. This is farm manager ID, and you can set a due date and save. You can see now the job has been created. And then I'll just add one more job. For example, change bearing. From here, name. Okay, now I'll give it to field manager. Now choose due date. Then I have assigned another job to feed, feed manager. This one is farm manager. Now you can see this is the farm manager login. When I do the refresh, you can see over here clean the doors. This is farm manager. Get the job. From here, farm manager can start the job, so it will show in progress. We again come back to the general manager login. You can see when the farm manager started the job, you can see the status changed to in progress. And when they complete, they can attach the photos. For example, now I'll choose this one, and then I'll submit. Okay, and now the status has been changed to awaiting verification. We'll again come back to the general manager. You can see over here new attachment is coming. You can just click on it and can see the images. You can actually attach up to 5 images within 5 MB each attachment. So general manager can now verify and close the task, or he can reject the work. So the farm manager need to do the job once again if the general manager not satisfied with the job. So now I'll mark as done. Here mark as done. Okay. See, from here you can see the job has been done, in progress, upcoming. It will show the upcoming next upcoming jobs for next 7 days, and overdue and rejected also. And this is for the job. It's a very simple. For schedule is very important. What happens is in poultry business, there will be jobs according to the flock age in weekly, about vaccination and all. For example, I will Lesotho vaccine, and now I'm giving farm manager. You can choose all managers, farm or field manager. Now I'm just giving to farm manager, and here is very role related to flock start. So uh, this schedule is automatically, this job is will be automatically creating one according to the flow. If you have multiple farms, and whichever farms age is for example 12 weeks, sorry, 12 days in 12 weeks, for example 100 days, then it will, that job will be automatically creates. Okay, you can see here it's not yet created here because there is no farm. For example, it's 11th week, so there is no any farm with 100 days of flock age. That's why the system is not created any job. Likewise, you can demo farm manager. You can select on fixed date. You can select, like for example, if you have any job on next month 20th, you can select. For if you want to give 20th, you have to select one more date. Actually 21 you have to select, it will create on 20th. Okay. So for example, this one I'll show you now 20th. Instead of 20th, I'll select today's date, for you can get to know that how it will done. Farm manager related to fixed date. And the date is now I'll show 20th next day. Okay. And we'll create one more last one, that is recurring. Again, I'll just create demo and this recurring. For example, if you have any uh, jobs need to be done daily basis, you can save. Or if you have any jobs need to be done on weekly basis, you can choose any day. So every week, that particular day, it will create that job to particular managers. Or if you have particular job on particular month from 1 to 31, you can choose any date, it will create automatically on that particular date. And for example, in year, for in summertime, there will be uh, some particular jobs need to be done on before summer begins. So you can select like this, and any date 15, so you can save this kind of job with schedule. So this will be automatically create according to the templates. Okay, this is it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next one.